My other top third wing place is Bird's Nest. This place is cool because it's a bar. So if you wanted to come, drink, hang out, meet friends, I've had work meetings here. But same concept, the sauce they make from scratch, so it's super good. A lot of bar wings in general have that generic, food distributor base to it. Not this place. This is a hidden gem. I don't think a lot of people actually know about Bird's Nest Wings, unless you actually lived in the neighborhood, because it is kind of like a small bar. But let's go check it out. Hey, how are you? Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. You got the mic? All right, here they are. Do you notice resemblance with these wings? Listen, this is God's honest truth. All right, so first and foremost, these wings are bigger than the ones we've had before, right? Than like a straight wing place. But it's also a bar, so I feel like it's got to be a little bit bigger. I think someone tried to replicate House of Wings. That's just my opinion. Because if you notice, it is a very like black peppery kind of a base. It's close to it, but maybe this is why it's one of my like top 3 wing places because of the similarity. But it is still good. It's a different base with like the vinaigrette, but I feel like you get a different taste too because the wing is bigger. It's a little bit meatier, but I think what I love about this place is it's a bar. So if it's like 1, 2, 3 in the morning, you can order some amazing food and keep the night moving. But it's a cool place, right? There's a pool table, darts. Because I have always secretly thought that someone here has tried to copy House of Wings, and when you eat it, you can tell me what you think. But I would give it a solid 9. So that's my score on this one.
You guys need anything else over here?
No, it's super good. Yeah, thank you. So, Juan, I will let you take over and taste for yourself. Oh, here.
Yeah. Lots more pepper in this one. It does give it a nice flavor to it.
Is it similar to House Wings?
Very similar. Not as much vinegar in the sauce as the other one, but there's definitely a lot of pepper in here. It is replicating. I still enjoy this one a lot, though. It could ease up on the pepper a little bit. Very peppery. Probably give this like an 8.5.
Alright, so that concludes Wings Nest and Stuffed. I probably shouldn't eat all of these wings at one sitting. But yeah, the black pepper is so prominent, ain't it? The black pepper is so prominent. I really wish I could figure out what else they put in here, like what that sort of underlying taste is. Because it has like a sweetness to it, like a little tang, and then that pepper kicks in.
but still, great wings for a bar. You can't beat it. Even if someone a long time ago might have had a little espionage going on and tried to replicate someone else's wings, I don't know. That's a wild theory, conspiracy I would throw out there. I've always felt that way. But if you're in the area, if you're in Lincoln Park, you can't go wrong with Bird's Nest. Bird's Nest.